Hey, it's Dustin with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace this temperature control switch in your Whirlpool dryer. This also applies to some other manufacturers such as Kenmore, Amana, Maytag, and more. It's really simple. I'll show you how to do it. Let's get it done. If you need to purchase a new temperature control switch for your Whirlpool dryer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved, genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. The dryer temperature control switch regulates the temperature settings for different drying cycles, allowing users to select the desired heat level for their laundry. If the temperature control switch fails, the dryer may not maintain a proper temperature, or the dryer may not heat up at all. Tools needed for this repair are a 1/4-inch nut driver and a small flathead screwdriver. Before working on any appliance, please remember to disconnect it from the power. If you need to move your dryer away from the wall, please disconnect the dryer vent hose on the rear of the machine. Some of the components have sharp edges, so you may want to wear gloves for this repair. Before we go around to the back of the dryer, first we will need to remove the temperature knob by firmly pulling the knob straight away from the control panel. Set the knob aside. To remove the rear panel behind the console, unscrew the 3 1/4-inch hex head fasteners on the bottom of the panel. Notice the rear panel mounting orientation before removing. We will talk more about this later in the video. Remove the final 1/4-inch screw from the top of the back panel and carefully lift the panel from the dryer and set aside. The temperature control switch is located between the cycle signal switch and the timer switch. To disconnect the switch from the wiring harness, press the locking tab to release it and firmly grip the plastic connector and slowly apply a back and forth motion as you pull it away from the switch. Next, to remove the temperature control switch, gently apply pressure away from the locking tab and rotate a 1/4 of a turn to release the switch. If you need assistance with the locking tab, you can use a small flathead screwdriver to gently lift the tab while you rotate the switch. If you need to purchase a new temperature control switch, make sure you get a manufacturer certified replacement part like the ones that we sell on our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to make sure you get the correct part. To install your new temperature control switch, align the front square on the switch with the square opening in the control panel and rotate the switch a 1/4 turn until the locking tab snaps into place. To reconnect the temperature control switch to the wiring harness, insert the connector into the back of the switch. Be sure the tab locks into place. Now that your switch is installed, you can close up the control panel. The top of the rear panel has 2 cutout notches. Align the portion of the top panel between those 2 notches behind the upper lip of the control panel. The rest of the rear panel will install to the outside of the control panel. Attach the top screw to hold the panel in place. Being sure to align the 2 notches on the sides of the rear panel to the plastic tabs in the control panel, fasten the 3 screws in the bottom of the rear panel. Finally, reattach the knob by aligning the D-shaped opening on the knob to the D-shaped switch control arm. Once aligned, apply firm and direct pressure until the knob is fully seated in the original position. And that's it, you've completed the repair. We'd love to hear your success stories, so if there's any hints, tips, or tricks that you can leave for the next DIYer, throw them down in the comments. If this video has helped save you money on your repair, please consider hitting like and subscribe so it can reach more DIY people like you. I'm Dustin from Parts Doctor, and thanks for watching.